Are we live? Just a sec. Are we live? Yeah, we are live. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my stream. If you are new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to build my SaaS, and this is day 23 of that. So if you enjoy my stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. So let's get started now. Just a sec. First I'll start my Docker. Okay. Starting Docker engine. Okay, fine. CMD, and then we have Docker PS, Docker PS dash A, Docker start Redis server. Yep. Ayan Khan late stream. Yeah, and today, welcome to the stream, Ayan Khan. And today I got late because I did my dinner late, so that's why we have started this. Okay. Here we have CD backend, npm dev. God of Code 07. Hello God of Codes. Welcome to the stream. Then we have CD backend, npm run worker dev. And guys, do let me know if I'm audible or not, or if there's any lag. So we have this now. CD frontend, npm run dev. Okay. So now if I come here and if I go here and do localhost 3000, Musakkid Chaudhary. Hello Musakkid. Musaddiq. Hello Musaddiq Chaudhary. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Tap Fusion. आज sorry नहीं बोलूँगा, आज late नहीं हुआ हूँ. Okay. Hello Tap Fusion. Welcome back to the stream, brother. Nicola Edition. Hello brother. Hello brother. Just started. Yes, I just started the stream now. Ayan Khan. Can you review my resume? I just sent it on Discord. It will take 2 minutes. Yeah, sure. I can review your resume. Just a sec. In Discord, where did you send? Okay, here. Let's see. Ibrahim Mohsin, yo Abhishek, how are you doing, bro? Hello Ibrahim Mohsin, welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? I'm doing great. How about you? Gaurav Coach. भाई कल की स्ट्रीम कितनी बड़ी होगी वो डिपेंड करता है, लाइक कितने लोग आते हैं, कितने क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. कल तो Q&A है, तो डिपेंड करता है. आयन खान, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर, बिल्डिंग AI सिस्टम्स. ओके ओके. गौरव कोड्स. ओके. मुसद्दिक चौधरी, भाई कितने टाइम से कर रहे हो? अभी तो मैंने 10:30 PM से स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट किया है. इब्राहिम मोहसिन, आई हैव बीन गोइंग थ्रू days, 18 hours of work. Damn bro, that's long. Ibrahim Mohsin, finally I got home fast today. Okay, like lots of work, man. Nicola, nice. Thank you, Nicola. So match layer, just a sec. Bro, landing page looks like, what did you use to create this landing pages? AI or like you wrote it? Landing page looks nice. Match layer. Nice. Nicola, I have been going through dash days. Nice one, Abhishek. Yeah, man. Like I cannot say those words because like lots of people watch the stream. So yeah, Edward. Hello, Edward. Astro. Welcome to the stream. Hey there, what would you say to someone who wanna revised front end and kind of get grip on back end like Node, Express? Because I made full stack project, but it's mostly AI plus tutorial. Okay, first understand JavaScript properly, then start with front end first because front end is fairly easy. Start with React, build projects, and then get into back end. Games SH. Hello Games SH. Welcome to the stream. Hello brother. I'm girl. Can I watch your stream? Yeah, yeah. You like anybody can watch this stream. Watch this stream irrespective of their gender. Basically, I'm trying to build my own SaaS, and I'm documenting my journey. And this is day 23 of building my SaaS. Renova Digitals. Hello bro. How are you doing? Hello Renova. Welcome back to the stream, brother. I'm good. How are you? Kakashi, what's up? Hello Kakashi. Tarun. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Good. But yeah, how relevant core CS subjects are like computer networks, computer architecture, these are very relevant subjects. Operating system is very important. Using that, you understand how your OS works, how to build your own OS. Then computer networks, to like it's a fundamental HTTP, HTTPS, UDP, TCP protocols. You have to understand these things. Okay, Batman YT official. Hello, Batman. Welcome to the stream. Just a doubt. When Next.js provides backend too, then Express is useless. No, actually, Express is not useless. Next.js do provide backend, but I don't like Next.js backend because there are lots of complications, unnecessary complications, in my opinion. So that's why I build for my SaaS. I build my backend on my own using Next.js. Relovan, nice UI deal. Actually, we are reviewing Ayan Khan's resume portfolio. So he built these. Yeah, the UI looks nice. I build systems that work. Nice. Experienced full stack engineer. Education. Okay, nice. Nice, Ayn Khan. Good work. Okay. Fine, we have this. Just a sec. So, okay. Ayn Khan, my first project archive is bugging a lot, to be honest. Okay. Why it is bugging? Nicola. How we believe you are girl, okay? Ibrahim Mohsin, gender king. This is new. Every day new kings come here. Okay. So first I'll come here. Okay. Now go to register. Login. Test user 2 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 2. Login. So first we select the organization. By default this will be selected. Services, availability, bookings. Okay, payments, billing. Okay, and if I select this, we have services, availability, bookings, integration, payments. Okay, fine. Edward, got it. Any way or resource you wanna recommend for the backend? There's this Chai or Code YouTube channel. You can follow the backend series there. Tab Fusion. I am Maing, an app where people can develop an abusing language for LinkedIn. Nice. Kakashi, lol. Now you remember my real name now. Yes, Tarun, I do remember your real name. Tab Fusion. Where is permanent mods? For mod, we are using Nightbot. I'm using Next.js. Okay, nice. Thank you. It means a lot. Welcome, Ayan Khan. Abhishek, so you're doing the backend Express for your SaaS? Yes, I have built the backend of the SaaS using Express.js. Tab Fusion. भाई सच बताओ अगर अश्विनी ग्रोवर होता तो यही बोलता कि ऐसा वेबसाइट तो 16 साल के बच्चे लाइक सी कुछ भी आप बनाओ मेहनत तो लगती है एंड यूआई तो काफ़ी अच्छा था तो जैसे भी बना यू शुड बी प्राउड अबाउट इट. Okay, games. I am CA by the way, and also loves gaming. Oh, that's nice. Games SH. And welcome to the stream. Hardik Mishra. Hello, Hardik. Welcome to the stream. Hello, brother. How you doing? Commenting after a few days, but your consistency is great. Whenever I open YouTube, it shows you are live streaming. It gives me a little push. Not be distracted. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Hardik Mishra. Thanks a lot, man. Bhattacharji, Tap Fusion me, okay. Damn, it takes time to think. I built SaaS. We saw stream from day one. So yeah, it takes time, brother, to build anything. Okay, here holding match me. Okay, bro, what brand headphones are you using? I'm using ANT Esports. Ashni Grover, ID Jwala. Hello, AID Jwala. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, it is really good business that using agentic AI make workflows to sell company really works. I have not done this yet, but like I have seen people doing it, and yeah, like it is useful. Batman, Abhi bro, can you give me a brief intro about your SaaS project? Yeah, it's a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Basically, you can create organization here. Then after this, you can create the service for particular organization. Then you can select the time bookings. Then you can integrate a Google Calendar. For example, if you have if you do you have Google Calendar, so that if it's an online business, then meeting link will be directly sent to the customer's email ID, and you can connect your Google Calendar. Then you can connect your bank account, edit your bank account, and then in billing we have SaaS based billings. ओके बट ये हाँ भाई बट ये सही है कि 16 बच्चे वेबसाइट बनाते हैं बीटेक सी वेबसाइट बनाना और एक फुल स्टैक बनाना आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स अब स्टैटिक वेबसाइट तो सही में कोई भी बना लेगा बट वो बनाने में लाइक एक स्टैटिक एक फुल स्टैक सैस बनाने में आपको इंजीनियरिंग नॉलेज चाहिए गेम्स एस एच यू आर सो हैंडसम डू हैव जी एफ थैंक यू गेम्स एस एच एडेज वाला व्हाट इज मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल वर्क इन ए आई profitable work maybe build something like that GPT cannot do like a workflow entire workflow you are handsome thank you AI what is your height I'm 6 feet ज्वाला भाई वाइब कोडिंग आपको कैसा वाइब कोडिंग सही है बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कोड बिफोर यू वाइब कोड एंड पहले आप अपना बेसिक्स क्लियर रखो फिर उसके बाद वाइब कोडिंग में घुसो check your discord DM I sent a real gem for you thank me later let me see what in my Discord what he sent. Just a sec. Is my yeah I saw this. Fetch my itch. I saw this. Like there are problems and we can actually like we can pick one problem and solve from here. Show me top problems. Okay. All problems. Why do freelance host projects after partial payment without accountability systems? Okay. Ayan Khan, my website had good backend also archive, but was bugging because I use Prisma for its database. I switched to MongoDB as soon as I'm free from my work. Okay, nice. A flirting is going on. Flirting? गौरव जस्ट अ सेक गौरव आजकल लड़के भी लड़की बन के बातें करने आते हैं क्या पता कौन हो पीछे अपने कौन सा कोर्स किया 12 के बाद मैंने आईआईटी से तो मैंने बीटेक किया बट आईआईटी या ट्रिपल आईटी से नहीं किया मेरा टीयर 2 कॉलेज था ओके आई एम गर्ल हाउ कैन आई प्रूव इट ओके बैटमैन अभी ब्रो आई एम फॉलोइंग टाइपस्क्रिप्ट कोर्स ऑफ चाइल्ड कोड व्हिच इज अ 4 इट इज यस इट इज एनफ फ्यूजन भाई मैं 5 फीट 7 इंच का हूँ मेरी तो शादी भी नहीं होगी क्यों नहीं होगी जरूर होगी नो नीड टू प्रूव जस्ट वॉच स्ट्रीम आई एंजॉय एग्जैक्टली निकोला एडिसन so much creative people here Ramesh nowadays there is hype of AI startup I want to know about AI startup can you tell me something about AI see there are two types of AI startups one which is an wrapper around chat GPT like you are just making the GPT like you're giving a system prompt and making the GPT behave in a particular way like a script writer or a YouTube script writer something like that and it's a wrapper around the GPT and another thing is like you're actually building your own LLM or you're trying to build a automated workflow or something like that गौरव कोड्स हाय 411 में लड़ गया कि शादी हो रही है why you are insecure about it in India exactly मेरा एक सवाल था आपकी जॉब लगी और लगी तो वो जॉब क्या क्या थी और सैलरी हाँ मेरी जॉब लगी थी. I did. I used to work in a MNC as a software developer, like a Spring Boot developer. Then I left my job 2 months before only. Kakashi, check SaaS category. Okay. SaaS category. SaaS. Why are CRM system too complex for 3% business? How can companies eliminate unused SaaS subscription efficiently? Why can't shop on their website without coding knowledge? How can data? How do small teams struggle with manual payroll calculations? Is there a way for business to collect quick customer feedback beyond surveys? It's interesting. Yeah, we can check this. Games. I'm falling in love with you, Abhishek. गौरव कोड्स. भाई ये पक्का है लड़का है जो मजा. या आई नो. Kashi, by the way, try building CLIs will improve your logic building. Command line, okay. I'll get into it. गौरव कोड्स. मेरे कॉलेज रूममेट भी ऐसी हरकतें करता. लड़की भाव नहीं देती तो लड़की भर के लड़कों से बात करता. लो गजब है भाई. बैटमैन अभी ब्रो. How to lock our dependency package in npm. How to lock our dependency in npm project in case they get any vulnerability in future. uh, Guys, am I having mic issues? Do let me know. Am I audible properly? For basically when for example, if you are building something and you have your package.json file, right? But when you want to your log, like for example, if you want to install exact these version only, then instead of doing npm run install, you will do npm run clean install, ci. What ci does, it will use package.lock and exact whatever is mentioned in package.lock, it will download that only. So yeah, just a sec guys. So try motion doxing. What is doxing? Just don't update the packages. Okay. Tab Fusion Day 23 building a SaaS Tata Hero. डेडिकेशन हो तो आप जैसी भाई आपको मरते दम तक सपोर्ट करूंगा. बट भूल मत जाना डायरी में लिख लो नाम मेरा और इब्राहिम का. Yeah, I won't forget, like people who actually supported my channel and these streams in the initial days. So yeah, and thanks a lot, Tab Fusion 2. Thanks a lot, man. Pravesh 32. Hello, Pravesh. Welcome to the stream. How many jobs do you do till now? And in what role and which company? I cannot name the company because I left the company 2 months back. It was a service-based company and it was an MNC. So that's all I can say. And package was not so high. It was around the tax lab. That's what I can share. And I did 2 internships and 1 full-time job. Kakashi, die-hard fans. Build up is crazy. Oh, thanks, Tarun. Thanks a lot, man. So we have this here. And then we need Redux. We have Redux. So what is the main issue here? What is happening is, for example, if I've selected test user 2, I'm here, and now if I refresh, see, select an organization to view bookings. We have to solve this thing, that if an organization is selected and if I refresh, unless and until I don't change it, it does not get changed, and make the UI a bit better. That's what we have to do. So once an organization is selected and if I refresh it, see, it gets automatically to another one. This is the first issue. Second issue is this one. Third issue is this one. Same thing. Select organization bookings. Select okay, all these things need to be fixed. Payments. Yeah, payments, and in billing, select an organization. Okay, fine. We have to fix these things. Got it. टैब फ्यूजन भाई आज कोचिंग की छुट्टी थी इसलिए जल्दी आ गया. अच्छा, टैब फ्यूजन लाइक यू आर इन स्कूल और इन कॉलेज. कल फिर से लेट हो जाऊंगा. कितने बजे से है कल? तो कल हमारा Q&A स्ट्रीम है. लाइक काफ़ी दिनों से लोग Q&A स्ट्रीम की रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे, तो कल एक Q&A स्ट्रीम होगा अराउंड 10 और 10:30 PM. आई स्टार्ट द स्ट्रीम. Okay. Kakashi, try posting content on Insta and YouTube to gain more unique views like easy snippet. Okay, I'll try. Tarun, thanks for the the suggestion. Tap fusion. Okay. गौरव भैया वैसे साइबर सिक्योरिटी का स्कोप कैसे क्या कैसे हो सकता है फ्यूचर साइबर सिक्योरिटी का स्कोप तो काफी अच्छा है क्योंकि साइबर सिक्योरिटी नो बडी विल इग्नोर इट लाइक एआई पे हम लोग साइबर सिक्योरिटी का कोड लाइक अभी क्लॉड का जो कोड लीक हुआ एआई लीक द कोड सो साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स वो हमें दैट्स लाइक अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फंडामेंटल पार्ट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट सो साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट Nicola, flood shorts and shorts to gain views. Actually, Nicola, the thing is, see, what I'm. This channel is all about, documenting my journey and so that I can be consistent in working on my SaaS on my startup, right? When I started this channel, I did not start it for views or anything. Like I just came live and I worked on my thing, and fortunately, people started enjoying the stream and they started connecting. So my mindset is not in that way that I want to make content just to get views. I'm just coming live, sharing what I'm building, and I'm being consistent so that this live stream has actually helped me to be consistent. So my concern is not to get views or just make any clickbait videos. Make with a click. If you go to my channel and if you see my thumbnails, nothing is clickbait. Whatever, I keep it very minimal, very simple. I believe that if someone is actually interested in the content you are producing, they will watch it normally. You don't have to make some clickbaity titles, clickbaited thumbnails to get views, because that's I don't believe in that thing. Okay. ओके टैप फ्यूजन 12 खत्म हो गया है तो बस फ्री हूँ तो सोचा कोडिंग की कोचिंग ले रहा ओके नाइस टैप फ्यूजन दैट्स नाइस मे में रिजल्ट आएगा 12 सीबीएसई का ओके ऑल द बेस्ट टैप फ्यूजन अमन दीक्षित हेलो अमन वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम हेलो आई हैव अ 2 year gap after graduation आई एम थिंकिंग टू join coder shadians or Chire code cohort which will I join should I learn Monstack as a fresher plus considering a gap see if you have skills gap don't matter ठीक है second thing is that yeah you can learn Monstack as a fresher and actually I did not join any cohort of any any of the creators so I cannot comment on it because I have not seen the syllabus I have not seen the content so I don't have the right information to form an opinion on it so that's why I cannot tell if it's good or not so you have to research it on your own Gaurav codes नहीं मेरा कहना का मतलब है एस डी एट फैंग का सी टी सी काफ़ी हाई होता है बट साइबर सिक्योरिटी को उतना पे नहीं मिलता मनी वाइज स्कोप आई डोंट नो मैन ऐसा क्यों होता है बट साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज़ अ क्रूशल पार्ट Ibrahim Mosin, I tried live streaming, trying to stream Subway Surfers, but it says you need 50 subscribers. Yeah, like for live streaming, you need 50 subscribers. So I gave up on streaming. Don't give up. Like maybe you can build some content around Subway Surfers if you're interested in it. Okay. टेक स्किल्स सीखने का देख रहा हूँ अच्छा तरुण but can you teach students through reels and shorts in your own style that will also make your own brand value which might help you advertise any of it yeah I agree like obviously content will help me to build my SaaS and market it but the thing is like I don't want see I enjoy live streaming because I come here every single day I work on it and even I watch my own streams when I'm free because I like seeing myself code but if I enjoy making content in future maybe I'll do that but right now my goal is to just to build my SaaS and let it out as soon as possible uh-huh. Sudipto hello Sudipto welcome to the stream okay I participate in ICPC I have a sense of CS stuff can you little guide me it would help me what is ICPC okay so let's get started so what is happening is that basically in my layout where is it my provider not here providers just a sec in my provider, and in my layout, this is my layout, and in my dashboard, where is it? Dash, hold on, front end app dashboard layout. This is it, and here we have detected route. Here we have, we can just remove this. Okay, so we are doing this is loading. Okay, this is happening. That's slices. Okay, fine. Let's go here. Aman, I participated. Okay, ICPC क्या है? Sudipto Gamers, how to speak English like you. I usually read books, and there are two ways to improve your English speaking skills. First, your reading skills, your speaking skills, and your listening skills. So these are three main things. So for reading skills, start reading English newspapers, or you can start reading English books. And for speaking skills, try to speak more in English. And for listening, watch English movies or English series, English podcast, and everything. This is my code. Dashboard slash page dot tsx. Fine. Then we have dashboard slash layout dot tsx. We have this. Fine. Then we have organization. Then we have dashboard slash organization slash page dot tsx. Fine. Have this. Subrata, how to get a remote job as a fresher, like 1K monthly remote job. A remote job, for that, first build very good projects and deploy your projects, and then you have to reach out to the founders directly. You can use Twitter, you can go to Wellfound, all these platforms, but make sure projects are really good. Okay, Ibrahim Osin, it's more than Fang, bro. Believe me, it's not a saturated field. Okay. Visualization practical. I won't lie, but today morning only I get to know you will you I get to know you while scrolling. I found it interesting because I wanted to explore the area. I need to watch old videos to know more better. Okay, welcome to the stream, visualization practical. Okay. Pravesh, bro, since you have job experience, you have created your SaaS, why don't you bring your course that will help people? Actually, right now my goal is not to build any course or anything. My goal is to just to build my own SaaS and launch it as soon as possible. So that's what I'm focused on right now. Maybe in future, if I get interested in teaching, then maybe I'll release a course in future. But right now I am focused on building my SaaS. IPC basically Olympiad of problem solving. It is international level of contest. I did DSI. Okay, nice. Sanjay 19. Can we contribute to the source? Actually, this is not an open source project. Currently, I'm building the MVP version. That's why the code is open. Once we are done with the MVP, then the code will not be available. IPC very prestigious. What's your CF rating? Okay, nice. ओके अभिषेक भाई चेक करो मेरा चैनल मैं स्ट्रीम के बाद चेक करूँगा Ravi. Hello, Ravi. Welcome to the stream. By how many people are making money via AI, and some people even don't know how to use AI? Why? What is this difference? Because lack of exposure. It's all about lack of exposure, in my opinion. Okay. Can you please guide me how to start open source contribution for gaining real world? Actually, I have not made any open source contributions. Please do subscribe. Yeah, guys. If you're enjoying the stream, consider subscribing to my channel. Lavao bro has service offer videos. Okay. So organization. Then we have integration. Then we have dashboard slash integrations slash page.tsx slash page.tsx. Then we have bookings. Here we have dashboard slash booking slash page.tsx, booking slash page.tsx, and then we have billing. Here we go. We have here dashboard slash billing slash page.tsx. And then we have availability. And then we have dashboard slash availability slash page.tsx. Done. Availability done. Fine. And this is done. Just a sec. We have this thing. Okay. Now we have this. Then we have providers. Okay, this is not required. Then we have components. Component first give this. We have components slash protected route, protected route.tsx. Okay, we have this. Then we have components slash organization. Okay, we can just make it like this. What is this? Create org dialog.tsx. Okay, then here we have availability components. Then here we have what is it? Add slot dialog.tsx. Bank components. My bank form.tsx. Done. Then we have forms not required, general not required, general not required. Okay, organization done. Service components. Then we have create service dialog.tsx. Then we have edit. We have edit service dialog.tsx. Edit service dialog.tsx. We have this now. This is done. This is done. Okay. Okay. Then we'll give the slices. This is my auth slice.ts. Okay. Then this is my availability slice. Actually, auth slice is not required. Yeah. Availability slice. Okay. Okay. We need auth slice. Okay. Auth slice.ts. Have this. Khan04. Hello Khan04. Iron Khan. What's with the cringy comment section today, Abhishek? Where's Lokesh and Eternal? Lokesh has still not joined, and Eternal is also not joined. Okay. गौरव कोड्स कौन सा कोर्स फॉलो कर रहे हो सीपी के लिए? ओके हेलो। अब तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा. ओके वी हैव auth slice just a sec. Auth, okay fine. My auth slice, then this is my availability slice.ts, availability slice.ts, then booking slice, booking slice.ts, we have here or organization slice.ts. Then we have service, slice.ts. And this is my hooks, these are done. Now I want that when I refresh the selected organization is gone and each page that needs organization info says us loses the organization info and says to select the organization again. When I refresh after I select the organization. Okay, fine. Khan04, I am from Vietnam. Oh nice. Hello Khan04, welcome to the stream. Okay. MacDon, XOR gun. Hello MacDon, welcome to the stream. We have this, yeah, this is classic state persistence. It lives only Redux memory, so when you refresh, okay. Redirect, okay. Update your organization slice, modify, fetch dot fulfilled. Option better load immediately on app start. Right now, Rohit runs only on the org page. That's weak. You should load organization globally inside your layout. Update dashboard layout. Okay, got it. Okay, why this works? Okay, it was not so difficult. Let's see what we get. So fix okay, modify fetch organization dot fulfilled. Okay, so we have this front end Redux slices organization slice. Okay, and then we have fetch organization dot fulfilled. Okay, this we have fetch organization add k fulfilled, so action dot payload and const save org. Okay, just a sec. Okay, MacDon, what is the full form of SaaS? SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Maxado XD. Hello Maxado, welcome to the stream. How are you? So we have this. Aman Dikshit. Bhaiya, can you give me career guidance if you have time on video call? Yeah, like Aman, you can book a one-on-one call with me. Load balancer. Actually, load balancer, for example, this is your server. This is your server. Okay. Then you have your database and everything here. And this is your front-end client. Then when you have less users, then you can directly access your server, and your servers have only one instance here. For example, if it's a very large application and you have different server instances, different server instances. Then before a request reaches a server, there is one thing in middle called load balancer. This is called your load balancer. So when a request goes, it goes to the load balancer decides where the traffic needs to go. For example, this server or this server or this server. So whichever server has less traffic, your request goes to that server instance, and this is decided by your load balancer. So this is what load balancer does basically. Okay, so we have this. Saved off, type. Save on. Act on. Can't you do the project via vibe coding? Will it work? See, if I do entirely vibe coding, yes, the project will work. But the thing is, I will not understand the context of the code, and in future, if there's any small issue, then it will take hours for me to debug it because I do not understand the code. I don't even see the code. I just wrote the prompt, and AI wrote the code, right? So that can get very difficult for me to debug if there's any error. And in future, if I want to add any new feature, then also I don't understand the code, so I don't know how to put the feature if I don't understand the code. So that's why right now we are not doing entirely vibe coding using prompting. I'm even if I'm using the code from GPT, I'm trying to understand the code, then I'm implementing it. So yeah. Pranav, hello Pranav, welcome to the stream. What are you building? Pranav, I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. So saved type window is not equal to undefined. If window is not undefined, then logo get or null. Okay. So current organization saved org. Okay. Macdon, but for passing interviews, is vibe coding enough? So should I vibe code and understand the code? See, Pranav, if you are a beginner or you're in college or you're trying to get a job, then you should not do vibe coding because it will, it's not good for your habit, because right now you need to understand the code. It's like the more you write the code, even if you type the code more, you understand the context of the code, and you will face the errors, you will try to fix the errors. So I will not suggest you vibe coding now, because your goal is here to get a job, right? So I will suggest you, even if you're vibe coding it, try to avoid that. For interviews, especially if you're building a SaaS and all, that's fine, then you can vibe code. But if your goal is to get a job, then I will not I will not encourage you to depend on vibe coding. Aditya, how much part is left? Aditya, today we are working on the we are fixing few bugs basically, and one more update, guys. Like yesterday we were working on the payout. So I have decided to register my business, and it will be a solo proprietorship right now because I'm the solo founder. So yeah, after few weeks, this process of registering my business will start. So once the business is registered as a solo proprietorship, then in Razorpay I can use Razorpay X for payouts. So I think if we are doing something, we should do it seriously, and it's a very good idea to right now to register my business as a solo proprietorship. So yeah. Aman, can you give me the link so I can book a one-to-one video call? Yeah, Aman, like you can DM me on Instagram. If you want to book one-on-one call with me, you can DM me on Instagram. Like why you want to book a call with me, you can DM me on Instagram. Then you can, from there you can book. Macdon, the thing is, I'm a pass out and beginner to dev, and I'm very good in DSA and learning dev in deep. Will take a lot of time. I want a job ASAP. Okay, if your goal is to get a job ASAP, then yes. But before even you go into vibe coding, please understand the technologies involved. Like for example, if you are using MERN-Stack, just don't directly start vibe coding MERN-Stack applications. First, understand the tech stack, understand how MERN-Stack works together, then try to vibe code, and then understand the code written by AI. That's the fastest way you can take. But please understand the code before you, directly start prompting. Macdon, I just need dev only for projects. Okay, Macdon, side business, just kidding. Okay. Shekhar, I registered as company. Yeah, like we need to register for making payouts to the business. For example, if you come here, just a sec. If you come here and in the payments part, now you can see that we have the bank information of the customer. So once the business, we have the bank detail of the business, so we have to pay the amount, like whatever the customer paid for booking a call with this user, with this customer, with this business. So for example, we'll take 8% as the platform fee, and the remaining amount, it needs to go inside this user's bank account, right? So that is what payout is. So for that, I need to register my business. And yeah, so that's the process. So I will be registering my business. Rahul, when did you pass out and which college you're from? I completed my BTech in 2023 and I'm from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. Okay, so MacDon, I'm unplay. Okay, from ISM Dhanbad, and college will get over in a month. MacDon, where are you from exactly? Okay, saved dog, saved org कहाँ गया? Saved dog. Okay, saved org is equal to type of window is not equal to undefined is not equal to undefined. Then we have local storage dot get item org id or have this. We have saved org. Now that we have saved action dot payload dot, okay, we have to change this logic. Hold on, this if part, recommend this for now. So what we need, if saved org, if we have a saved org, saved org and action dot payload dot sum organization. Then here we have o dot id equals to saved org id. We saved org id. We have this. Okay, then here we have state dot current org id equals saved org id. We got this. Just a sec. Okay. Else if action dot, we have this. Okay, action dot payload dot length is greater than 0, state dot current org id equals to action dot payload dot id. Okay, so we did this. Mac Don 38341 Patna Bihar. Okay, Rahul, which branch, bro? Okay, what strategy would you use to get users? Aman, the strategy that I will be using is, first is cold calling, second is posting on Twitter and Reddit, and third maybe trying to get some influencer marketing, something like that, if we have the money obviously. Mac Don, हाँ भाई, but I am in the 20 place card. Okay, okay. Theme, Akshad Shetty. The theme is Cat Pacino. The name of the theme is Cat Pacino. So we have this now. Optional better UX load immediately on app start. Right now, fetch organize runs only on the organization page. Okay, understood. So what we can do is in the dashboard layout. Okay, this part. Okay, so in my dashboards layout, where is it? Front end app dashboard layout. here only we can use this. Okay, so here we have const dispatch equals use app dispatch, and this has to be okay, fine, and this has to be a client, use client, and then we are doing dispatch. What is the name of the function? Fetch organization. Fetch organizations. Fetch organizations. Okay, not here, inside the use effect. Okay, yep, correct. So use effect, this and this. Then here we have add, not this, dispatch we have fetch organization, fetch organizations, and this depends on this dispatch. Okay, we have this. Now let's see what we get. This organization, we have this services. If I refresh, okay, now it is not going. Very good, absolutely fine. If I refresh, it is not going. Very good. If I refresh, it is not going. If I refresh, it is not going. Fine. And now if I come here, if I change this, no services, no, okay, this, and now if I come here, if I refresh, okay, it is not going. Very good. So and this option is getting saved. Absolutely fine. So now we have to make these things. Where is it? Close this. Now we have Redis, not Redis, Redux here. Slices, organization slices, remove this part. Done. Fine, we have this here. Jay Pandey, why don't you use cursor? It can really help you out even in your particular style of coding, which is simply asking for the help of AI instead of having write your code. Yeah, see, yes, cursor can do that, but the thing is, if right now what is happening is, even if I'm asking from AI, if you come here and see, even if I'm asking the AI, I can see the code, the context of the code. I can make, join the puzzles like a pieces like a puzzle, right? But in cursor, if I just give prompt and AI writes the entire code, then it gets very difficult to debug the code, because there are lots of files, lots of all of this, and even if there's a small error that I missed, then like it can take me hours to debug it. So like for me, this way has been faster. Maybe in future, if AI, like I am waiting for the time where AI actually improves a little bit more for prompt based coding, vibe coding part, then we'll switch to vibe coding really well. So, but right now this process is helping me write very good code, and like a code that does not break. अमन दीक्षित, आई टेक्स्टेड यू भैया, देख लीजिएगा. हाँ, मैं देख लूंगा अमन, थैंक्स. Lokesh, hello Lokesh, welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Jay Pandey, also I think you need to evolve if you need to stay relevant in this AI era. See, yeah, like we have to evolve, we have to change with time. I agree with you. Like we have to evolve a lot. Yeah. Webov, hello Webov, welcome to the stream. How do I start building with your proper mindset? First, before you start building anything, make sure you understand the basics very well. Jay Pandey, in ask mode, it will give you the code with much better context than GPT. It won't write your code for you in ask mode. Okay, I'll check it out. Ibrahim Abhishek, search about Claude Capybara. Okay, I'll search. It's an interesting piece. You will like it. Lokesh, okay, I'll check it. Ibrahim. Lokesh, I'm good. आप बताओ, मैं भी बढ़िया. Lokesh, okay. Hi bro, how are you? Okay. Harsh, have you paid money for the Razorpay API? For Razorpay, yes, I have paid a 200 rupees verification process. So yeah, okay, just a sec. Where is it? Motivation. Hello, Cappy, welcome to the stream. So yeah, Abhishek search Claude Capybara. What is that? Claude Capybara. What? Let me check. Claude Capybara. What is that? Claude Capybara. mythos है, what is Claude mythos? Happy again leaked version says 2 days ago. Reddit. Okay, so there's been a buzz on these Anthropic leaks on new models. You can read more of this in follow link. I have seen two very unusual jobs for Anthropic recently. One of them looking for ML expert for supervising new Claude researcher, model generate automation and iterate on the go. Okay. What does this say? Motivation. Okay, Cappy. Thanks, Cappy. Ibrahim, Abhishek has membership now. Yes, membership is active, Ibrahim. First link, Claude Capybara. Wow, Claude के सो रिसर्च किया है रेजर पे, हमने बात किया ना इंस्टा में. हाँ, यस, रेजर पे वेरिफिकेशन के बाद क्या स्टेप्स होता है. इफ़ यू आर सिंपली, इफ़ यू वांट रेजर पे जस्ट एज अ पेमेंट गेटवे, देन वो 200 रुपीज़ के बाद आप इजीली यूज़ कर सकते हो. बट इफ़ यू वांट दैट पे आउट फीचर्स, then you have to register your business. So I have decided that I will be registering my business as a solo proprietorship right now. Maybe later on, if this grows, then we can change it to private limited. So now I'll be going for solo proprietorship. Like I'll register my business, then we can use Razorpay X. Today actually I contacted the support of Razorpay and they told me to register my business. So yeah. गौरव भैया, टेक रिलेटेड ज़्यादातर यूट्यूबर पैनिक देते हैं, आप इनको फॉलो करते हो फ्यूचर टेक से रिलेटेड? मैं एक्चुअली खुद ही रिसर्च मारता हूँ क्योंकि आई नो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट इन यूट्यूब, स्पेशली इन यूट्यूब, एवरीबडी इज गोइंग आफ्टर व्यूज. सो फॉर दैट दे promote fear mongering. Most of the YouTubers, they do fear mongering. They will create like catchy thumbnails, AI this is that, this is then their goal is to get views, right? And their goal is to make you click on that video. So that's why like fear mongering is going on, right? So I don't follow any influencer for tech related news. I try to do my own research. Ibrahim Mohsin, welcome to Observer. Hello Ibrahim Mohsin, thanks for becoming a member, man. Thanks a lot, brother. Ibrahim Mohsin has become a member. Thank you, Ibrahim Mohsin. Thanks a lot, brother. Okay. Lokesh, their support team is good. Yeah, I agree. Ibrahim, okay. Ibrahim has become a member. Very nice. Thank you, Ibrahim Mohsin. Thanks a lot, man. Harsh, solo proprietor subscription model based है या one time payment? So see, basically it's like you are registering your company and your government knows about your business. So solo proprietorship is that you are the sole owner of the business. That's what research I did. For example, if you go here and if you search solo proprietorship versus private limited versus all other, you will find something like good information related to this. Yeah, you can check all of this. That if you're a one person business, solo proprietorship is the best for you. Then this private limited, if you have 2 to 2,000 shareholders in your company, then private limited is good. Okay, Lokesh, everything is dead. Yeah, I know, man. Bro, anytime, bro. Thanks, Ibrahim. Thanks a lot. Piyush Garg. Okay, yeah, I've seen his recent videos. See, he teaches really well. I understand because system design and all, and I learned Redux from his YouTube channel. So he teaches really good. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so it will take time for me to register the business. Only then we can go for payouts. So we have this now. This part is done. Okay, so now if I go here to front end app dashboard organization page, शुभ वॉइड, भैया आपने जेई दिया था, आज मेरा मेन था मैथ में, खेला खत्म. मैंने मेन नहीं दिया था. हर्ष, Okay, thank you so much for information. As I'm also implementing Razorpay feature for my SaaS. Yeah, like normal subscription model or a normal order creation can be done with normal Razorpay. But if you want that payout feature, then you have to go for Razorpay X. Webhub, what do you do? I'm trying to build my own SaaS Webhub. Lokesh, does it cost to register? No, not yet. Like I have not. Yes, it requires a bit of money to register. So I have to check how much money it requires. Like there's a lot of research I need to do. Okay, I are you in corporate? Corporate. I was in corporate. Webhub. I had a job. I left my job. Okay, okay. He quit his job few months ago. Working on. Yeah, exactly. So we have this card content. Where is it? Card content. Organization. Just a sec. Create org dialog. We have this here. Button. Class name. Cursor. Pointer. We have this here. But don't you think it should move? Like there should be some animations. Hold on. There should be some animation like this. Payment. Yeah, we should add animation. See, animation gives life. Yeah. Maybe we can do scale also. On hover, scale it to 110. Yeah, scale it to 110 on hover. Okay, so here we go, and in create button. Okay, we have this create button. Where is it? Create button, last name, and here we have cursor pointer. We have here create button. Yeah, we have this create button. We have services also in create service. Let's put this here. We have this. Okay, I don't know which platform will you use to deploy. For backend, I'll deploy on DigitalOcean, and for frontend, as this is a Next.js based application, will be going for Vercel. Avan Dikshit, how would you improve the performance of this code? Performance of this code, firstly, we have to make database more optimized. Maybe we'll be using indexing in certain places. Then we'll try to include maybe I'll search about the how to improve the searching option, all those things. Lokesh, if you need any help with Razorpay, I can try to help. Been using features since long time. Thanks, Lokesh. If I need any help, I'll contact you, Lokesh. Gaurav Codes. But yeah, are you in product based company or I was in service based company. Ibrahim, what is this job king? Abhishek is trying to be an entrepreneur, and you all are asking about job. Bro is going to be a billionaire, inshallah. Thank you, Ibrahim Mohsin. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, brother. Necro Football. Hello, Necro Football. Welcome to the stream. Front end development. How much time should take for beginners? Front end development. You have to be see most of your time will go into learning JavaScript, and then React or Angular, whatever you choose. So give your 1 or 2 months to JavaScript, maximum 1 month, and give your 2 months to React or Angular, whatever you want to learn. So this is done. Now if I go to service page, service, and here we have edits. Okay, just a sec. Create service dialog. Okay, we have this dialog button. Yeah, here cursor pointer, and on hover scale by 110. Yeah, this looks better. And also if I select this service and if I refresh, yeah, we have this edit and delete. If I click on edit, this update button, and if I create, this is here. Okay, fine. Okay, this very good. This is done. Then we have availability. This availability add slot, and add slot here in availability. Close it. We have front end components, availability component, add slot dialog, add slot. We have this. Just a sec. Add slot dialog and time slot. Okay, and this add slot button, it needs to be okay. What if I make it 110? Here we make it cursor pointer, add slot. Okay, and this, then we have this bookings part, cancel booking. Yeah, and here in the bookings part, okay, they are here in the bookings part. Where is my bookings part? Public components, booking book, bank bookings. Just a sec, hold on. Is it in my pages, app, dashboard, booking page? Yeah, we have this in this delete button. Cancel booking button, on click, cancel booking. We have this, and here it will be cursor pointer. We have this, we have the, yeah, this, something like this we have. And if I click on cancel booking, there should be an alert. Are you sure you want to cancel this booking? Okay, I don't know how to deep into AIML. Okay, for if you want to get into AIML, first understand Python properly, then you can get into NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, then learn a bit of statistics like standard deviation, normalization, understand these concepts. Then you have to understand what is regression, what is classification. Then individually you have to get into classification and regression models. You have to understand those models, drawbacks of those models, implement those models, pick data from Kaggle, then build models on those data. So that's how you do it. Okay, that's my integrations part. And if I go to this organization, and if I go to integration, this is done. If I click, yeah, this is working. This is working absolutely fine. Okay, this is working. Payments part, edit. So this edit, we have to make it a bit lively, like create organization. There should be an emoji like components, then add slot, then we have bookings, integrations, payments, billing, inactive. And if I go here, billing, active. Fine, we have this. Okay, organizations. Okay, so organization, fine. Go to, right now it is good like this. Just a sec, payments, this edit button, everything is like this. Add slot, availability, services. So this payment also, it should be scaled. So if I go to my payments page, Zishan, hello Zishan, welcome to the stream. Hi Abhishek, dear, what's about your health? Yeah, my health is fine, Zishan, thanks for asking. How's your health? So we have this, and edit bank details, uh, bank bank form, not bank form. So here we need app, dashboard, billing, payments page. Okay, we have this, and this edit button, cursor pointer, and it will be scale on hover, scale it to 110. Yeah, we have this, and edit. Here we have this empty state, add bank details, and here also on hover, make it cursor, scale to 110, scale to 110. Fine, we have this now. And if we have this save changes and edit, and organization also I have to make this better. And if I go to front end components, organization page, create dialog, this create organization, this one, it needs to be a bit better. Create class this and py5. Yeah, this looks better. Create organization py5. Fine, this is done. Create organization, my slug, and we have this. Fine. And services, create service. Yeah, this create also. Create service components, create service dialog. Create service dialog. We have this. Just a sec. Where is it? Where is it? Create. Here also we need to make it py5. Fine. And edit, update. Okay. Fine. We have this. We have this. Okay. Suak Shetty, which theme is it? It is the name of the theme is Catpuccino. By Zishan, by bring API development master series in Node.js, not TS. Okay. Actually, right now I'm not building any. Like I'm not here to like. Right now I'm not focusing on teaching or bringing any course or anything. Right now I'm trying to build my SaaS, and that's what I'm focused on right now. So yeah, solo. Rojil Acharya. Hello, Rojil. Hello, Rojil. Hello, Rojil. Welcome to the stream. Currently learning Java, latest Spring Boot, and the rest of the related stuff. Yeah, you can learn Java Java and Spring Boot. But the thing is, if you are a fresher, yeah, you can learn. If you are really interested in it, and you can build good projects, yeah, you can go for it. Dhanush, do you use AI for your code? Yes, I use AI. Lokesh, Cat Pacino. Yes. I don't know. Have you participated in hackathon back in college? Yes. Social Butterfly. Hello, bro. Hello, Social Butterfly. Welcome to the stream. Suak Shetty. Thank you, Lokesh. Okay. We have this. Create. Edit. Availability. This. Here, do this. And this in availability part. Here in front end. App. Dashboard availability page. We have this here. Add slot dialog. And here in the delete button, where is it? Add slot. Just a sec. Add slot and okay, delete. Have this button saving. End time. Okay, we have this. Just a sec. Go here. Suhag Shetty, what was your grad year? 2023. I completed my BTech in 2023. Rojil, what do you think about Salesforce? I have not used Salesforce, so I don't know. Shubhoid, HNB alumni. No, I am from SMIT. क्या बना रहा है? I'm building a Shubhadeep. Hello Shubhadeep, welcome to the stream. I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Zishan, I know about React.js but not knowing TS. So I'm learning new from Abhishek. Okay. See TS, if you know JavaScript properly, you can learn TS in one day. What's the progress? We have fixed the bug, right? Like previously, if we used to refresh, it used to tell us to select the organization again. But right now, if we select the organization, it saves the organization even after refreshing. The data is not lost. So we have fixed this issue. And just a minute, we have this, and front end, app, components, app, dashboard, payments, not payments, yeah, payments. Here we have this. Where is it? Bank form, not this. Add bank details, empty state. Okay, button, cursor. Okay, this bank account last. we have this. Just a sec. If we have bank dot last four, bank bank, okay, bank console. Hold on. We have this last four. We have to fix this last bank dot last four. Is the issue here? Just a sec. Put this here. Why are we not getting this bank dot? So why are we not getting this bank dot ifsc code? We are getting this, but account number we are not getting. Okay. Bank dot account number last for pg admin. Salesforce sponsors F1. I know that only. F1 has who is Abhishek Pro clone version. Okay. Should we watch the logic of connecting payment gateway? See, we have used Razorway for connecting payment gateway. Freak, will you upload the social media app deployment video before deploying this? Actually, that social media deployment, it has lots of confidential information in that video. So I have to find a very good editor who can actually edit. It's a 5 hour long video. It took me 5 hours to deploy because I was having lots of issues. So yeah, Zishan can explain front end structure for better understanding. Okay, just a sec. Bank detail, account number, last four. It is this. Okay, bank. Hold on. Just a sec. We have this. Okay, I think I got it. Hold on. So console dot log data, and if I come here and if I go to inspect and if I see this here, I see this here, this we are getting this here. Okay, account holder name, bank branch, account number, this. Okay. But okay, so we are not returning the last digit. So if I go to backend, src modules, bank service, and here if we come, okay, so we can just simply return bank account number last four. This we have here. Copy this. Here also paste this. Okay, hold on. We are doing this here. And what is this issue? Bank detail dot. Just a sec. Number last four is equal to bank detail dot account number last four. Copy this entire line. Then here we have paste this entire line here. Okay, fine. Then here also bank detail, put this here, add this here. Okay, we have this. Now if we refresh here, we'll get it. If I refresh, count. Hold on. So if I come here, account number last four. Okay, we're getting account number last four, but bank dot account number last four. Hold on. So here we have this set bank. Okay, any account number initially this. Okay. Hello guys. Hello Aman Kumar. Welcome to the stream. Salvation. Thank you, Salvation. Thanks for thanks for the super chat, man. Thanks, Lord Salvation. Leo. Hello Abhishek. Hello Leo. Welcome to the stream. Freak34 Silicon Valley show देखा है? No, not yet. Please use your payments gateway of Stripe because many people use it. It would be widely. Actually, I live in India. Belong to India like me or other Pakistan audience. Okay, because many people use it. It would worldwide, especially who not belong to India like me and other. Actually, but in India, Stripe is quite difficult to use. Salvation. How many more days to complete your project? It needs around more 1 or 2 weeks. Actually, now I have to register my business. So the payment logic I can only implement once my business has been registered. Only then we can implement that payout logic. Apart from that, most of the things are done. Salvation. Thanks for the super chat, Salvation. Salvation. Chips के पैसे भेज दिए. Aman, hello guys. Bro, what's going on today's session? We are debugging and we are making few changes here. So account bank dot account number last four. Why are we not getting this? Hold on. What is the issue here? We're not getting this account number. Why? Why are we not getting this account number here? So what is this issue? First, let's delete this one. Delete this. And if I refresh it, it should show me add bank details. Bank details, account name, test user 2, account number, what we have already done. IFSC code, this bank name, branch, random bank branch. Okay. Save changes. And if I come here, this and we have 788. Okay. But here if I come and here if I see network console and here if I do refresh, what am I getting? We are getting this data, account holder name, account number, last four. Okay, spelling mistake. We made a blunder. Spelling mistake. Seriously, man. Account OUACO. Account number this. ACCOUNT. Then ACCOUNT. Then ACCOUNT. Now, now if I refresh, now it should show. Yeah, now it is working. Okay. So just a sec. Okay. Before we messed up this thing here, what were we doing? Not here. Yeah, we added this. Added this. This. Yeah, something like this. Fine. Aman Dikshit, is any cost for registering? I have to research about that. How much money it takes to register a business? Salvation. I think, bro, you can do YT also. Okay, I'll try. I only know Easy Snippet who does your genre of content. Okay. No voice, bro. Fix mics. Guys, am I audible? Do let me know. Aman Kumar, bro, your voice coming slow. Do let me know, guys. Am I audible? Am I audible? Zishan. Any WhatsApp group where receive notification about making discussion about the project to make understand each other, like just for seeking help. You can join the Discord server. Discord server is the link of the stream. Description of the stream. You can join the Discord server. We have more than 100 members in this Discord server, and we keep discussing each other's project, and we share resources and provide dev help also in this server. Okay. Leo, I think when you lean down and your chin pressured down against the headphone cushion, It makes your mic bad or not audible properly. You can replay this part of your stream and see what's the issue. Okay, Leo, thanks for letting me know, Leo. I'll check it out. Salvation good now, okay? Location is good, okay? Bharadwaj, yes, bhaiya, you are audible. Thank you, Bharadwaj. Audible, okay. Devang Desai. It's generic CRUD SaaS. Why building this kind of project? Use may should not even should use event driven architecture. Yeah, like see every whatever you are building, it's kind of a CRUD application only. It depends on and the one more thing is we have integrated the calendar also. For example, if someone this is the SaaS part. I did not show the customer side. Just a sec. If someone comes here localhost 3000 / booking, and this is the customer side of the application. This is like for example a business can use this URL, they can put it in the description of the stream or anything. They can share this URL, then the customer can come directly to this page, then they will book like what kind of what they want to book, which service at which time they can send the data, and then they can confirm booking. And once the booking is confirmed, and if it's an online service, the link of this scheduled meeting will be sent to the customer's email ID. And then here, like in the bookings part, the SaaS like the owner can see, okay, this person booked a booking. So yeah, that's the basic flow. Ayan Khan, you would need a current account, a talk to a CA for a good control over taxes also. Yes, Ayan Khan, I would need a current bank account as well. I have a salary account and a savings account right now. I need a current account. I am Nune. Hi. I was saying, let's say I did front end and mod. Now I'm going to, for some experience, want to do internship. What do you think? Min stipend, and I can take like minimum. I have to see minimum stipend front end and mod. I'm going to for some experience. Okay, minimum stipend take at least 8,000. 10,000. Anuj, hello Anuj, welcome to the stream. What are you doing? I can't understand. I'm new to coding. Hello Anuj, welcome to the stream. My name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a B2B appointment booking SaaS. So that's what we are doing. Okay. So we have this now, and now I have to give a name. This my SaaS name is not a very good name. I should give a name. Okay. Guys, do suggest some name for the SaaS. In the chat, like do let me know which name should I give for my SaaS, and meanwhile I'll ask AI as well. I am building an appointment booking SaaS. NG Tani one. Yo, hello NG Tantani. Well, Tantai 1001. Welcome to the stream. I'm building an appointment booking SaaS. Suggest me a good name for it. A crowded space, so your name shouldn't be sound nice. Okay. Clean more. Appointly. Booklio. Slotify. Metora. Zenslot. Shedura. Schedule plus Aura. Shedora. Nice. Book Pro. Shedura. Dipanshu back again. Welcome back, Dipanshu. Welcome to the stream. Unique brand Zentro, Velura, Nexora, Orbix, Axona, Velo, Zorvia. Okay. Easy appointments. Okay. Guys, suggest me some book my slot. Okay. Yeah, no, this is not good name. Guys, do let me know any, give me suggestions for the name of the SaaS. Best overall, Shadora. Yeah, I like Shadora. Slotify. Zentro. Strong starter vibe. Zentro. Sounds like Santro. Okay. Okay, let's go for Shadora. How is Shadora? How is the name Shadora? Let's see. भारद्वाज भाई, आपको क्या लगता है कि आगे फ्यूचर बीटेक की डिग्री की क्या वैल्यू रहेगी? वैल्यू तो मेरे हिसाब से अब डिग्री की वैल्यू मेरे नज़र में अभी से ही चली गई है, अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू आर अ डॉक्टर, बिकॉज डॉक्टर की डिग्री की अभी भी मेरे नज़र में वैल्यू है, एंड पीएचडी स्टूडेंट्स, दीज टू डिग्री की मेरे नज़र में वैल्यू है। बाकी का एमबीए बीटेक अभी मेरे नज़र में तो कोई वैल्यू रहा नहीं। मैं खुद बीटेक करके बैठा हूँ, ठीक है। तो बीटेक की अब कोई डिग्री को कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द स्किल, अनलेस एंड यू आर अ डॉक्टर और यू आर डूइंग एनी रिसर्च और पीएचडी काइंड ऑफ स्टफ। अब डिग्री की उतनी कोई वैल्यू नहीं रही मेरे नज़र में। पीवी आयुष को पीडब्ल्यू आयुष गुप्ता IITN, व्हाट इज SaaS? SaaS इज सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ सर्विस। Anuj, book my slot is good. Book my slot. Okay. Yeah, book my slot is also. Let's see. Sure biz appointments, meet desk, schedule hub, books for time ops. SaaS is सॉफ्टवेयर ओके भारद्वाज भैया, आप तो स्किल की भी ज़रूरत ख़त्म हो गई है। नहीं देखो, स्किल की ज़रूरत कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगी। एआई अभी जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, एआई इज़ लाइक अ ड्राइवर ऑफ अर कार। आपको ड्राइविंग आती है फिर भी आप ड्राइवर रख सकते हो, है ना। बट just because you are a driver, that does not mean you should not know how to drive. Your driver will drive a car for you, but you still have to keep your eyes on the road, and if your driver cannot drive the car, then you take the steering wheel in your hand and then you drive the car. It's same with AI. Okay, so AI is just like a driver, in my opinion. Sure biz meet desk. Okay, schedule hub. I've already made connect hub, schedule hub, okay. Appoint core, I think it is good. Appoint core, okay. Guys, AI never replaced the human. Kumani, welcome to the stream. Acha, Lokesh. Book Zeno. Book Zeno sounds like a library kind of application. Matrix appointment IQ. Schedule slot Nova. Slot Nova is good, okay. भागवत भैया, कुमार नीरज, पढ़ाई करो, इतना ध्यान मत दो इन सब पर। स्लॉटिफाई साउंड्स गुड टू फॉर मी, ओके। बॉडी मेनिया भाई, आप कहाँ जॉब करते हो? मैं जॉब करता था, मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया अब। रिकी, फॉर कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट्स DSA इज इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड फॉर ऑफ कैंपस डेवलपमेंट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट। ट्रू। वलीद भाई, वॉट अबाउट द AI इंजीनियरिंग? AI इंजीनियरिंग इज वेरी इन डिमांड, लाइक फ्यूचर काफ़ी सही है। Anuj, bro, could you just give a brief after your 12th journey and later BTech? What have you done? After my 12, like basically I got introduced to programming when I was in class 11. I took computer science, and there we had C++ as programming language. So that was my first programming language. Then like later on, when I got into college, I started learning Python and Django. That's how I got my first internship and also my first freelancing clients using Django. Then I did Django, React, and then when I got into job, before I got into job, I started learning Spring Boot, Java, all these things. For my job, actually, I had to learn Spring Boot. Then after I left my job, now I learned Pwnstack. Now I'm building my SaaS. Okay, use cursor. Okay, Kumar Neeraj, exactly right, bhai. Yeah. Lokesh, I'm bad at naming. I literally named my SaaS flick feed. Okay. Yeah, Prashant, appoint edge. Okay. Brother, I can develop a whole app using better than others. So, good or not? Yeah, you can do that. Okay. Brother, what is your Gmail? Because I have some doubts around website development to ask from you. My Gmail is abhi10sheksharma@gmail.com. Bro, you shift to the Mernstack region. Actually, Mernstack is good for solo developers, someone who is trying to build solo app, and for remote startups also Mernstack is preferred. So yeah. Lokesh, bhai, you will laugh too. My clothing store name too. I told you na. My friend made one clothing store and name it. Is that Project LT? Okay. Body Mania, same here. Okay, so first general nav bar. Hold on, we have this menu. We have this. Okay, so dashboard page. Okay, we have pending appointments. My SaaS, what name should be? Shadora, Slotify, Velora. Okay, Booklio. Zentro. Shadora looks nice. Shadora. Let's go with Shadora. नहीं समझ आए तो we'll change it again. Shadora. Let's see. Shadora. Fine. We have this. Okay. Organizations, services, availability, bookings, integrations, payments, billing. Okay, we have this. And just a sec, payments, we have this, test user 2. Let's do one thing, that schedule prime. Yes, don't ask the meaning of LT. What is the meaning of LT, Lokesh? It's a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Okay, बॉडी में भाई फ्रंट एंड में रिएक्ट बेसिक चल रहा है. कोई स्किल बताओ जो कि फ्यूचर में भी काम आए. सी द बेस्ट स्किल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी जो फ्यूचर में भी काम आए वो है लर्न हाउ टू लर्न, क्योंकि टेक स्टैक हमेशा चेंज हो रहा है होगा, टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज होगी. सो यू हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू लर्न थिंग्स. रश हैकर्स, भाई मैं पेमेंट ऐप करना चाहता हूँ फैम पे जैसा. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड योर ओन पेमेंट ऐप, फर्स्ट तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड रियल टाइम वेब आरटीसी, बिकॉज रियल टाइम ट्रांजेक्शंस होगा, then event driven architecture, all those things you have to understand. And secondly, you have to register with RBI guidelines. Okay, Ricky, placement needs luck, that's the important thing to note. Okay, Anuj, from which college you did your BTech and what degree? I completed my BTech from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, and degree was BTech in IT. Bro, also add the logo of your project name, PHP forever. Okay, add logo. Yeah, we need to add logo. And hold on, we have this logo also. Logo we'll design logo later, but bank page components, hold on. I think we are missing something. Bank form, but here in my app dashboard payments page, all of this, and dot to this we have here. We have this, just a sec, hold on, this dot to uppercase test user 2. Yeah, we can do this. Okay, not 2 uppercase. Okay, bank account holder name, account holder name, then we have this dot to uppercase and bank name. Yep, then bank dot to uppercase. Okay, this is done. IFSC code also dot to uppercase. Fine, and this is fine. Okay, random bank name. Aditya, good hand in full stack development. Should I get into DevOps? Yes, DevOps is very important. You can get into DevOps. Lokesh, okay. Anuj, bro, is SRM channel Chennai good for college for CSE? I have no idea. I did not study from SRM. Like, I heard about it a lot. Okay, Wild West Royal. Hello, Wild West. Welcome to the stream, bro. What are you building? I'm building B2B appointment booking SaaS. LT means मेरा नाम and उसका नाम है लोकेश एंड त्रिशूल. Interesting. Okay. Kushagar Srivastava. Hey, I am building an education app using React, but I am facing a lot of issues. I need a help now. Can I connect with you? Yes, Kushagar, you can DM me on Instagram. Bro, will you add the mod change? What is mode change? Like, what kind of mode change do you want me to add? Can you send Vercel link? Actually, I have not deployed it yet. No guys, fintech dude have to get so many permission from government. Yes, exactly. Bro, Claude code leaked ho gaya. Yeah, I saw. Why? Oh, nice. B2B appointment booker. Yep, something like that. Okay, bro. Do you have your own VPS server or you purchase any? Yes, I purchased a VPS server from DigitalOcean. VPS, a $4 server. So yeah. Okay, we have this now. Billing. And what else do we need to add? What? Okay, let's make the UI better. Okay, so this is done. This is done. This is done. Close this. Come here. Close this. Where is it? This one. Just a sec. कहाँ गया? Yeah, code at the speed of thought. Everything. Actually, UI is nice. Who built this? Solo. DevSphere. Okay. It looks like developer network. UI is nice. Get started. DevSphere. Yes. Okay. Bro, do you have your own VP? Okay, Ibrahim, which one is better, DigitalOcean or Hostinger? I like DigitalOcean better. I like DigitalOcean more. Yeah, Prashant. I mean, I want to change the dark background. Then how will I do? What are you using Next.js? Because in Next.js, adding dark mode is quite simple. Like they have inbuilt feature for that. We'll be adding a dark mode here as well in this SaaS. Hold on. Okay, we have this. Just a sec. Wild West. Bro, what is your marketing plan? Some distributor or free marketing on X and Twitter and Reddit, etc. or ads on Meta, Google? My marketing strategy is like I'll post on Reddit, Twitter, and also I will be, doing cold call. I'll be cold calling businesses who are in this niche and they might use this, like cold calling Twitter, Reddit, and if I start getting revenue, then maybe some creator marketing as well. MacDon, npm run dev. What are you doing like npm run dev where? Okay, so first, now let's make the finishing better. But here also we have this. Here we have to make it cursor pointer, this cursor pointer, this. Confirm booking. Please fill all the fields. Okay. Your details. Hold on. Just a sec. So please. Front end. Components. Okay, just a sec. We have this here. Yeah, this one. Components. Public booking page components. Date picker. Calendar. This we have here. Class name. Let's add class name. Cursor pointer. We are getting it here, but not during the date part. Not here. Okay, it is not working here. Mode single. Then what else do we have? What will happen if I remove this mode single? Okay, add this mode single. This. Okay. And here also this p3 space y. Okay, select a date. Have this and width full. Nothing happened. Rounded excel. Okay, dg white. Disable Node.js. Okay, what will have initial focus? Something happened. Okay, but I want this selection part to be cursor pointer. Select a date. Then we have this calendar, and if I come here to calendar, number, day, week number, size, item center, text center, bg, red 500. Nothing changed. Okay, nothing changed. Children, components, props. Okay. Sandesh. Hello, Sandesh. It's so frustrating that companies has made all the fancy abstraction, but at the end, they just host just as an OS and DB just a memory. After all, HR rejection, no AWS. Okay. The project is overkill. Okay. This is true. Okay. Redis forever. Okay. Hi, brother. Hello, PW Ash Gupta. Welcome to the stream. Bro, add animations also where cursor goes. Okay, let's see. So due to the reason I mentioned previously, I get demotivated as a deep dive learner, but everything is abstracted nowadays. Okay, Ibrahim, but Abhishek, 8 CPU, 32 GB RAM and 900 GB bandwidth cost $392 in DigitalOcean, while the same cost $60 in Hostinger with 32 GB bandwidth. Actually, see, in pricing maybe the difference, but I like DigitalOcean's overall experience, to be honest. Like, that part basically. Like, in DigitalOcean, actually, I've been using it for so many years that I'm actually used to it. I'm very comfortable with it actually. But yeah, if the pricing is too much, then maybe I have to check out a Hostinger as well. I have just emailed you. Please kindly check. I'll check it. The entry level is cheap in DigitalOcean. So yeah, the cheapest server is $4 VPS. I'll check it. I'll check the email. What are you building actually? I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Okay, yeah, like load balancer and all are packaged as service. Yep. Okay, so we are doing this here. Fine, this. So actually, I like this page entirely. To be honest, I like this page. But here, what were we doing? Yeah, we were working on the UI part. Okay, so close this front end. See, now it is working. Now we'll make it beautiful. That's the main thing here now. Okay, so this is my components and this is my page. Booking will start with organization part. Organization. Where is it? Dashboard. Organization page. This is my code. Dashboard / or organization / page.tsx. Okay, then we have components, then please make, okay, then this is create org dialog.tsx, make the UI better. You are a UI/UX expert. Your job is to make the UI and UX smoother and better. Now let's see what we get. Zishan, can you explain the front-end structure? Yes. Basically, in the front-end structure, this is Next.js. So first we have this, like by default, we have the app section. Inside this app, these are all the routes: auth, booking, dashboard. Then inside dashboard we have all routes, like for example organization. So here if we go to this, you can see dashboard slash organization. So in Next.js we have file based routing, right? Folder based routing. So here we have dashboard slash organization. So basically this page is showing right now here. Then basically for all different features we have this, and then in components we have created different components for different pages. For example, in organization components we have create organization dialog, and then we have the Redux part where we are using Redux for state management, auth slice, availability slice, booking slice, organization slice, service slice. Then we have hooks for Redux, and we are using use app dispatch instead of normal dispatch, and use app selector, so that like we are not dependent on Redux entirely. For example, in future if I want to remove my state management and use just stand, we can just use it directly. Then this is my store here. So that's it. And inside lib I have created the API services. For example, auth service, here we are calling the backend APIs. Availability, all of these are APIs. Then here we have created the validation, like schema validations for Zod validation basically. So this is what the folder structure is for this application. Okay, hold on, close it. Okay, so where was it? Yeah, here we were here. Okay, now let's see. Good foundation, clean, functional, but right now it feels developer built, not product polished. Let's upgrade it so that I'll bring. Okay, biggest UX problem right now: no empty state. If user has zero organized blank screen, confusion, no loading state, user click, nothing happens, feels broken. No success feedback. Okay, peak selection UX, current organized, just a border change. Okay. Okay, we have this, and loading skeleton, if is loading. Okay, and empty state, improve, replace card with this. Okay, this is okay. User shouldn't accidentally mess slugs. Okay. Me the full code. SQL memory is freaking awesome. Okay, nice. Tom, bro, how to use GPT for coding? Basically, I use GPT to get the code structure, and if I see, before I copy paste it, I see the code, understand the code, and if I see that the code is good, then I use it. I just copy paste the code for the front end part, but for back end part, I code it myself, and I just use AI for back end just to see the structure, and before I implement it, I understand the code. So that's how I go for it. Sandesh, see, I don't have much self-made project, but I have 3 years of experience as a full stack dev. So what would you recommend now? Switch. You have 3 years of experience. Switch to a different company. You will get a better hike. Vibe coding, I did fine. Thanks, Hyper, and beautiful too. Thanks. I saw a video today where Cloudflare workers can be used as load balancer. So it's like $5 a month and could cost, and cloud cost is gone crazy. Okay, nice, Ibrahim. You told me earlier to send me the doubts, so I sent. Please respond during live. Okay, I'll check it once the development part is done. Then we'll check it. Bro, can you explain, like for large project, is it good practice to always create mono repo using turbo repo? Yeah, for large project you can you can create mono repo using turbo repo. Ibrahim, basically use cron for health check and workers for dynamic routing for request to your backend. Multi-current structure, like it blew my mind. Okay, got it, Ibrahim. Tom, bro, how to, okay, answer this. People use Cloudflare workers as load balancer instead of Cloudflare's its own load balancer. Okay. Okay. And that SaaS I showed you needs a lot of bandwidth cause streaming platform, right? So I went to hosting a Cloudflare. I handled a reverse proxy database and things myself. How did you handle reverse proxy? Did you use Nginx, Ibrahim? What did you use for reverse proxy? Okay. So for, okay, hold on. We have this. Now let's try this. Organization. Organize. Okay. Yeah, bro. Nginx. Okay, nice. We have app dashboard organization page. Okay, fine. Come here. Let's see what we get. We have this dashboard page. Active. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this looks better. Active. Fine. Okay. And this create dialog. Create org dialog components. Components. Where is component? Components. Organize component. Create org dialog. Okay. Add this. And here, let's fix it with this. Let's see what we get. What is the issue? ID doesn't even type this. Okay. If I come here, this create my company. Yeah. Create organization. Organization be empty. Hello. Nice. Okay. We have this create organization. Fine. And this create organization button cursor pointer. Cursor pointer. Fine. We have this. Yes, we have this active. Active को green बना दो. Make active as green. Where is this page? Active. Where are we getting this active part? Loading state, empty state. Remove this one from here. Ibrahim, what do people prefer, Nginx or Apache? I went to Nginx. Actually, normally I also use Nginx as well because Nginx is much more simpler in my opinion. Like, and the code is very easy in my like. I find it easy for Nginx. Okay, I have never used Apache for any of my projects to be honest. No, me neither. Miro Slavinov. Hello, Miro. Welcome to the stream. Maybe for UIX, use Gemini. I've tried 3.1 Pro and it's amazing. Also, the models have relatively free usage in anti-gravity. Just log in with your Google account. Okay, I'll use for maybe for the UI part we can switch to Gemini. Let's see. But the thing is here, why are we getting this? Auto select new organization on submit. But here on submit, where is on submit here? On submit. On submit. This for on submit logic, just copy this part. On submit here in on submit, what are we doing? On submit meta. Okay. Failed to create organization. Okay, let's see what we get. We have this. Let's create a new organization. Test user 3 organization. Okay. Test user 2 organization 3. Create organization. Test user 2 organization 3. Services, no services. Organization 3. Okay. Fine. Now if I come here, refresh it, we get see this. Okay. Organization 2. Okay. Services. Okay. This is better. This is good. But this active part, I should make it ID. Res.payload. Res.dispatch. Payload.id. Okay. So in create organization thunk, res.payload. organization res.payload.id. What's the res? Okay. Console.log res. Create organization thunk. Okay. Return await organization API. Create organization form data. Add this ID z dot string dot main z dot uuid and dot optional. Okay, I remove this. Okay, okay, fine. Res dot p. Okay. Ibrahim Mosi, and has anyone here used Lightspeed web server or Microsoft IIS? I heard it's good, but I have been using Nginx for so long, it's like a default for me. For me too. Nginx has been default for me. Harshvardhan, bro, how long have you been working on this project? Like, this is day 23. So, for 23 days, I've been working on this project. Just 23 days, actually. Ibrahim, the problem with most people is that they do much focused on AI for coding, that the later parts are not even in their mind. Like nobody talks about optimization scaling. Yeah, optimization scaling is important. When you get, for example, the social media application that I use, that I built. Now, if at some point we get a sudden or surge of users, like 10,000 users are using the application altogether, or like at the same time, then I have to work on the scaling part. So scaling cannot be done with AI, in my opinion. You have to be a very good developer, then you can scale your code. Ibrahim, and most of the legendary issues lie there. Your app will never have problem with when you, yeah, exactly, Ibrahim. When you get lots of users, then only vulnerabilities of your app or whatever you have built comes out. But the game is completely different when you have 1000 concurrent users. I agree. Harshvardhan, Ibrahim, bro. No, are you scaling? What is the marketing? Okay. AI might have solved coding. Scaling is still a system architecture. Exactly. भाई कितने बजे सोते हो? 1 बजे या 2 बजे? Just develop, bro. The scaling bottleneck, like database, I handle PG bouncer cause I am using Postgres. The marketing part is being handled by the client itself. Okay, nice. सिर्फ आपका fan. Which kind of product you are working on? I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. So we have this. Okay, this active badge. I need to make it active. Create organization form. Not here. Close this. Close this. Active. No. Active. Hold on. This active and this BG green 600. Remove this. Active. Okay, fine. Yeah, this looks better. Services. This one. Okay, fine. This one. Okay, and here we have this. Okay, I'm satisfied with this one. Organization part is done. Ibrahim, bro, you cannot see link in chat. Yeah, like link cannot be seen in the chat. मान भाई सीक्वलाइज डेटाबेस होता है क्या? सीक्वलाइज कहाँ पे? पाइथन में है क्या सीक्वलाइज? सीक्वलाइज सुना सुना लग रहा है. सीक्वलाइज कहाँ पे था? सीक्वलाइज वेर आर यू यूजिंग इट? I am link of okay B2 SaaS. Yep. Okay. कब होगा क्या कब होगा yeah the organization part okay just a sec Discord and this where is it so yeah here okay so right now this part is done now we have to work on the service part let's do one thing guys like go to Gemini for many people are saying that Gemini is good for UI part right let's see what we get with Gemini hold on organization page this is done and organization components create our dialog this we have here okay we can remove this part for now let's keep it like this and this is my code page.tsx then we have create our dialog create org dialog.tsx let's see what we get you are an expert you're an expert in UI slash UX and you understand the design principles really well your job is to make the UI smoother and UI better and UX much more smoother SYD database में use okay BSc CS I'm doing now internship at Deloitte oh nice okay Avesh Pathak need a review on this website which website Discord ID Discord service in the link of the description okay anti-gravity but I'm not spamming okay Sheikh Ibrahim okay Sheikh Ibrahim Mohsin okay look at yourself not others 9 foot okay not better use professional okay Prashant is scolding Nightbot yeah BSc CS I'm doing now internship at Deloitte okay you already got an internship at Deloitte that's nice yes audit okay I'm a workspace switcher and not framer motion optional but yes premium feel okay optimized it smart from UX okay summary scalability used icons build okay confidence add a live URL preview so the user analysis this like affects their workspace micro time add subtle active scale okay let's see what Gemini has given Gemini optimize page.tsx come here and if I go here comment this and add this let's see what Gemini has given organization okay interesting it looks interesting to be honest yes and if we go to this part this is done and if I go to this part and if I add this here and why are we getting red marks here what happened button okay we have this here and what is the issue here let's see same issue nothing major difference okay if I come here and if I see this service. Okay, and if I select this, select a create organization to manage your projects, to manage your, okay, we have to create organization, organization name, link. Okay, but cursor pointer, interesting, cursor pointer. I'm not the owner, bro. Okay, Ayan Khan, Abhishek, what are you going to do to make this different from other SaaS? Yes, we have competitors like Currently is the major competitor Currently, and all these other people are the competitors of the SaaS. And I will make some changes, maybe pricing change, or maybe user experience change. Like, yep, we are going to think about those things. Like I'll show when we are working on that marketing part and making the UI, making this as better. I'll show you guys. I'm thinking of buying a whiteboard. Like I'll be, because all this planning phase, I cannot do it. Like it's better to do in a whiteboard, right? So I'm thinking about for buying a whiteboard where I will plan my SaaS, like the business part of my SaaS. But the current MRI is on 3 lakhs. So that's nice. Nice. Okay. Back again. Hello, Lokesh. Welcome back. Hunter, you are going. Yeah, actually, the thing is this in this UI part, we are doing copy pasting because initially we understood the logic behind when we created the first UI of this SaaS. We understood the logic of the working of this. Now we are just changing the UI parts. So I think now for the UI part, to be honest, I'm also not very interested of implementing the UI myself because AI does a much better job than me for in building UI. So yeah, that's why I'm using copy pasting for UI. Okay. So he will sit and code everything with hand while the AI can do the same thing in minutes. What logic? Exactly. Like for UI part, I think to be honest, I'm not so much interested in front end because when we built the first initial UI of the SaaS, we built it on our own. We used AI, but we did not copy paste it. But right now, like the functioning is same, just the look is changing. So that's why I don't want to code it. Yeah. कॉपी पेस्ट करने से पहले उससे काम करना आता है या एग्जैक्टली इब्राहिम मोहसिन MBJ कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग बैंगलोर ओके organization to manage your appointments manage your appointments. Okay, we have this, and here in this cursor, this one, create organization, let's make it where is create organization button, create organization, hold on, create org dialog, and here we have that create organization button. Here we can at least make it cursor pointer. Find my cursor pointer. Good, this looks nice. Now let's go for services part. Okay, Gemini, good. Let's give compliment to Gemini. Hold on. So if I come here and organization, Hunter Gaming, skills matter not college. Exactly. Okay. Bro, how can I access the membership perks in free? I have no idea, man. Harsh, will you git push all the codes? Yes, we are going to git push. There ain't a better pan tester than me in this chat. They're far better developers. Yeah, like Ibrahim Mohsin, he did pan test my social media application and he found a lot of issues. So yeah, he's very good in pan testing. So Flutter में सोच रहा है React ठीक है, but I used Angular Ionic. Okay, it works fine on web, iOS, Android. Okay, interesting. Fine. So we have this and test user 2 organization 4. Your dashboard app, your app dot your dot site dot com slash. Okay, we are getting this also, very good. And for reset to auto, yep, that's nice, that's nice. We have this organization, and if I don't put this and reset auto, and if I do create workspace, organization name cannot be empty, and this create workspace part, it has to be cursor pointer. Create workspace part, where is it? Create workspace part button, this button cursor pointer. So this h12 is not required, I think. It is a bit, yeah, not h12. H12 is nice, or is it too much? Yeah, okay. So here let's make it cursor pointer. Okay, create organization, test user 2, organization 4, create workspace, welcome aboard. Okay, I'm getting these. Okay, fine. Bro, I'm also build my startup SaaS in anti-gravity and VS Code. It's already completed 80%. And bro, I used AWS free tier and Azure for backend and make MCP also though AI only. Oh, that's great. Ryan founder, that's great, man. I work as a hacker. Okay, you're a good from inside, I think. Okay, and I have okay. Skills come from inside when we use not for resume. Exactly, bro. AI is now king, I guess. See, AI is like a driver. AI will drive your car, but still you need to put your eyes on the road so that you can see that AI is driving the car properly or not. Right? If your AI is not able to drive the car, then you have to take charge of the steering wheel, and then you will drive the car. Ibrahim, agreed, and that's why I like watching Abhishek. Skills above everything. He's so down to earth. He's an amazing. Thanks, Ibrahim. Thanks a lot, man. Okay, so we have this create organization. This part is done. Okay, this is working. Time zone Asia Kolkata is fine. And okay, Donna, bro, the driver is now better than us. Yes or no? In some case, like for development, just for development, driver is better. But when it comes to scaling, AI is still not good enough for scaling because you cannot scale entirely with AI. You have to know the code. Ibrahim Mohsin, na AI is still dumb. Yeah, AI, like all the LLMs is just an output like they just predict output, right? So yep, that's the thing. So this is working. Create organization working. New organization will be fine. Okay, now we have this. Now this is my code. Close this, close this, close this. Front end, app, dashboard, and booking part is done. Now we have service part, services page. Okay, so here this is my page dot. This is another page. Page.tsx. Create service dialog. Create service dialog.tsx. Then we have edit service dialog. Okay, then we have edit service dialog.tsx. Edit service dialog. Add this. Now what was the last line that I gave to this prompt? Now let's see what we get. It's okay. Attorney, what's up? Hello, Attorney. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Ryan founder. While building this, most difficult thing is own control on AI. I think real business building is easy, not thinking. Okay, interesting. Lokesh, भाई एक client ने बोला AI can make better edits, so I told go then that AI make this project. I ain't doing this project anymore. Nice, Savage Ibrahim. Donald Trump. How you learn all that? I mean, what your resources? I want to learn, but I had a fear that will replace. I'm not good in maths though, and what to do? Any suggestion? See, math does not matter much here in development, especially. So what you can do is see right now, like when I started building my SaaS, that's when I started using AI for writing codes and everything. But before, when I was preparing for job and everything, I was not using AI. So I have built like I have learned my fair share of coding without AI. I have been doing coding since 2020, like development part since 2020. So I started using AI in last 2 months, like for writing projects and all. So before those 2 months, I actually used to learn things and implement it, right? So that's why your fundamental needs to be strong. Yeah, okay, bro, will you add the dark mode in this project? Cause the white background irritates my. Yes, I will add the dark mode. Even yes, the white background irritates my eye as well. I'll add the dark mode. Whole card receipt load. Okay, fine. Let's do this. Create service dialog. Okay. Did I not give the edit service dialog? Just a sec. Where is, did I give the edit service dialog or not? Okay, yeah, I have given this. So this is the page part. Copy this page, add this, my favorite thing to do. Add this here, and now we come here, compiling, edit and delete. Rupees 500, 499. Okay, offline, online. Nice. Full stack developer online session. And if I go here, this, 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 okay, edit. Okay, create service. But here we have create like this. Okay, no issues, fine. This can be fixed and this can be fixed. And then we have this, where is it? Yeah, here. Then this is my create service dialog. We have this here, create service dialog. Where is it? Dialog, components, create service dialog. Let's see what is the issue here. Are we getting red marks? UI text area and tabs. Okay, so we have to install these text area and tabs. Okay. Add cn text area and tabs. Lokesh, वो रुपी सिंबल पे zoom करो if possible. Okay, just a sec. अभी तो एक second, लोकेश. I am doing it. Just a sec. Tab. क्या? What was the component? Tabs. Okay, so here we need tabs. 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 T. URST. Tabs. Here, install these tabs. Okay. These tabs. First time I heard Lokesh speaking Hindi. First time. Okay. Wow. Me too, actually. Lokesh, I can speak good, bro, but while writing, I make big mistakes. Okay. Physics, bro. Laptop name HP laptop 15X. Kela. Two bananas. Okay. This is done. Then we need text area. Text area. Yes. Well, better for description. Yeah, even I was thinking this that we have to put text area here. Okay. Fine. Add this. This thing. See what we get. Hey, services. We have this. Create service. What can clients expect? Price. But price is going to negative. Offline, in person, online. Create service. Great. That's great, man. That's great. Service title. Nice. I'm liking it. I'm liking the UI now. So, but we have to make the UI more consistent. Okay, so let's make, and here also first create service and create organization. Let's make it like this, create service. I feel you, bro. Two Kela, okay. Got it. This now, just a sec. So if I go to edit, okay, okay, just a sec. Now the service preview component that shows exactly. Yes, add that. Mukul, what your SaaS product does? It's an appointment booking B2. It's an appointment booking SaaS. So the SaaS, okay, where is it? This is a game changer. Eliminates. I hope it just looks anxiety by providing what you see is what you get experience. To do this, we'll use the watch function React hook form to pipe live data into a live preview card. I have also expanded the dialog with component. Okay, the service preview component. This is a dumb component that simply renders whatever data is given. Okay, dumb component. We have to create a service preview component. Fine. Then update create service dialog. Okay, why this works? Give me the full code. Service preview. Fine. Howat, Howat. Yeah, it's Howat in Kolkata. If you spend time with deep research on GPT and combine it with anti-gravity by picking consistency design, it will be amazing. Yeah, I know. Like once we build the basic working prototype, then maybe we'll try that. सिर्फ आपका फैन काजल लिपस्टिक बाद में अभी फंक्शनैलिटी कोई टेस्टर नहीं आके बोलेगा मुझे पिंक चाहिए ओके आई हेट टेस्टर एंड क्यूए गाइस आई स्वेयर ओके so basically we have to create a component service preview.tsx okay so hold on close this we need a component dash components service page component the name service preview service preview yes. Service preview.tsx fine just copy this service preview part. So basically what is this doing? We are just passing the props and it is rendering the props. Okay, got it. Understood. This thing is done. Then create service dialog. Then we have the create service dialog. Copy this. Okay. This. Okay. Update the page.tsx. Page.tsx. App dashboard Where is it? Bookings, services, page.tsx. This. Now if I come here, this offline, online, create service, and okay. Nice, it looks nice. Okay, set up new service. Just a sec. One-on-one call developer, full stack developer. Okay. Finance developer, finance consultation. This is a 60 minutes consultation call for finance. This is 60 and price, let's make it 2599, and this is offline, online, address Kolkata, India. Okay, let's make it offline and launch. Okay, आज का क्या किया? आज we are making the UI changes. The musical friend. Hello, the musical friend. Welcome to the stream. How much time will a SaaS require to complete? 1 or 2 weeks more. What does a SaaS product does, bro? It's appointment booking SaaS. It manages appointment. Real me. But yeah, I'm a 1 year first year student. Please tips de do. Pick one programming language. Either go with Python or go with Java, JavaScript, and learn that programming language. Build a habit of doing 1 or 2 DSA questions every single day, and rest of the day build projects. YouTube Geo. Hello YouTube Geo, welcome to the stream. As a backend senior dev, if you need any guidance, let me know. Sure YouTube Geo, thanks for the offer, man. If I need any help, I'll let you know. McDonald, which college? Okay, Lokesh, real time the phone brand hai. Bro, it's good, okay? Yeah, it's actually looking good. Aaj kya kiya, okay? Attorney, like we are making some UI changes. Okay. Lokesh on Savage mode today. Yeah. मैकडॉन आज मैं करके आया. ओके डेव डोंट फॉरगेट कल Q&A stream. Yeah, tomorrow is Q&A stream. मैकडॉन material you okay. मैकडॉन bro okay. Attorney looks good. Thanks attorney. Creation Infinity भाई एक একটা help করবি বল কি হয়েছে কি help বল. Okay, so we have this and just a sec. Finance consultation call, confirm booking. We have this launch service. Just a sec. This create service launch booking part. We have this launch booking part. Finalizing this button, make it cursor pointer. Launch service, customer preview. Okay, fine. This, and if I set up new service, and for example if I don't send this launch service, this must be at least 5 characters long. Okay, and if I put this and if I give this launch service has been launched. Okay, now I have to fix this UI part. Edit, fine, active, inactive. Okay, and this we are doing. This looks nice. Offline, online, offline, edit, offline. Okay, if anyone looking for job as dev, I can refer. Recently found some vacancy on my friend's company. Okay, Supreme DS, bro, what's up? Hello Supreme DS, welcome to the stream. Random guy, I'm struggling to get fresher level job, have skills in Java, Spring Boot. Okay, build projects and deploy them and work on your skills and keep applying. Okay, random guy, start your own company. Okay, Ayan Khan, looks like Lokesh has many things to ask. Okay, attorney Ayan Khan. Okay, attorney damn looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Yeah, see, this is why I tell first make the SaaS working, then focus on making it beautiful, because Making it beautiful is actually quite easy, right? That's not the hard part. The hard part is making things work, and then easy part is if something is working, then you can make it better. Rahul, where are you from? I'm from West Bengal, India. Supreme DS, Postman sucks. What happened? Supreme, why are you so pissed off? Attorney, exactly. Yeah, I know, man. Just first make things work, then make it beautiful. That's like the motto. Lokesh, I know I don't ask that much. To be honest, I should teach more. Okay. So this is working, but this edit part I need to fix. Where is edit dialog, edit service dialog, edit service dialog.tsx. Since we are already design language to use two columns like preview layout, your edit should mirror that experience. Edit service, okay. Of this contextual UI, what's the original service title? Okay, let's go with this. Actually, Gemini is better for designing, in my opinion. Now I am thinking that. Study Peak. Hello Study, welcome to the stream. Hey, I'm currently in class 12 non-med stream. Can you tell me in which field I should go? Should I go IT sector or not, as AI comes and competition is very high, plus CA jobs are downfalling? Okay. What is your interest? Study Peak, what's your interest? Learned with GFB. Hello Learned with GFB, welcome to the stream. भाई मैंने HTML CSS JS एंड React की है और बैकएंड के लिए पाइथन की है. अब नेक्स्ट किया क्या करूँ, पाइथन का कौन सा फ्रेमवर्क प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, प्लीज़ अच्छे से रिप्लाई देना ताकि मैं इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर लूँ. ओके, सो यू नो HTML से जावास्क्रिप्ट रिएक्ट की है और बैकएंड के लिए पाइथन की है. वेरी गुड. सो आई विल सजेस्ट यू गो विथ Django फ्रेमवर्क. Creation Infinity. Why I cannot post link? Actually, in YouTube chat you cannot post link. YouTube won't let us see link. Yep. सिर्फ आपका फैन. When I started my project, I thought it takes 2 months. No, it's become modules target, and now I'm thinking about other project. But चला खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. देखो, if you are building production grade SaaS, then it takes time. अभी like I have been working on this SaaS for last 23 days, and if you go to my older streams, I was working on a social media application for learning Merge Stack. There I worked on it for 38 days, like nearly 40 days I gave to one project. So if you are trying to build something good, it will take time. Hey, are you a developer in college? I have completed my BTech. मैकडॉन. भाई मैंने HTML किया है 2 साल, जॉब लग जाएगी. सिर्फ HTML से नहीं होगा, you have to go with, आपको काफ़ी और चीज़ सीखनी पड़ेगी. Olympian, welcome to the stream Olympian. Any specific reason to use Gemini? Why not Claude or Codex or Copilot or even Emergent? Actually, previously I was using ChatGPT, but someone suggested in the chat that Gemini is better for UI UX. That's why we are using UI UX, Gemini. Ibrahim Mohsin. Okay Abhishek, I will go to sleep. It was great stream. Guys, like the stream. Keep coding hard. Peace out. Bye. Thank you Ibrahim stream. Ibrahim stream. I mean, thank you Ibrahim Mohsin. Welcome and thanks for joining the stream, brother. And thanks a lot for becoming a member of this stream, of this channel. Guys, like Ibrahim became a member of this channel today. So thanks Ibrahim, thanks a lot, and have a good night. दीपांशु, आज मैं देखा ही नहीं पाया पूरा स्ट्रीम. अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, बाद में देख लेना. लव यू ब्रो, थैंक्स फॉर रिप्लाई. बट मुझे किसने फास्ट एपीआई सजेस्ट किया है, आपने बता दिया वही ना. थैंक्स. एक्चुअली फास्ट एपीआई Express.js की तरह है. इट्स अ लाइट वेट बैकएंड एपीआई काइंड ऑफ backend framework, right? But Django is used in Instagram and Spotify. It's much more powerful. It has battery included framework. Lokesh, okay, bye bro, good night. Okay, so find the link that, okay. Bro, from where did you learn web development? What are the resources you have used online? I learned from everything from YouTube channel. There's this YouTube channel called Chai or Code YouTube channel. You can learn web development from there, or Code with Harry. What's emergent? Okay, Adarsh, I'm building an AI. Okay, emergent sounds like detergent. Okay, which is your strongest programming language? Actually, strongest I would say JavaScript, because recently I've been working with JavaScript a lot. But 2 months before, I was more into Java, and before Java, I was really good in Python. So right now, as I know multiple programming languages, it's like I'm more like a generalist now. You know. Okay, so find the okay. Fine. Edit service dialog. Okay. Edit service dialog. Let's see what we get now. If I come here, refresh. If I come here, okay, services, final. If I edit, okay, final updated. And if I click on save changes, it has to be cursor pointer. Okay, this thing, save changes, cursor pointer, where is it? Save changes. Hold on. Meeting format, offline. This offline. This, I think I don't need this one. Meeting format. We cannot change the meeting format, I think. Can we? Location address. Online. Remove this meeting format part. If I go here, okay. Lol used to failed in Python exam in school. Nobody told me you have to practice this on laptop. रट्टा मार के जाता था. Actually coding हम लोगों को practice करने से ही आता है. I know. Is really see someone doing backend in C++. Why so? Actually, see, C++ is the mother of all programming languages, in my opinion. Okay, as C++ is so close to hardware, like you can access hardware easily. So C++ is used to create compilers of different languages, like Python's compiler is built on C++, right? So that's why C++ is not used in development a lot. It is used for developing game engines. And if you know about Crow framework, it's a web development framework for C++. So framework is there, but it is not much popular for development. Bro, are you freelancer or you work in MNC? I used to work in an MNC, but GTA was actually GTA's gaming engine was coded in C++. There's a concept called gaming engine, and gaming engine has to access hardware really fast. That's why C++ is the best option. Lokesh, he quit his job few months ago and working on his SaaS, and it's B2B appointment SaaS. Currently, he is working on MB. Yeah, exactly. So we are appointment booking SaaS here, and then service, and then update service. Update service here. Okay, meeting format. So in my backend part, backend SRC modules. That's it. That's it. Okay, hold on. Where is it? Yeah, this one. This is my edit service dialog. So what we'll be doing here, handle submit, update. Okay, what we had here. We have this number, duration in minutes. We have price. Okay. In edit service dialog.tsx, we just need to allow to update the price, duration, title. Title, description. Others, C++ should be the first language. It's a little hard, but love for coding will increase. Yeah, C++ was my first programming language as well. When I was in class 11, we had C++ in computer science. Gaming engine, Unity, Unreal Engine. Okay. Attorney, what do you say it is really necessary for someone to know multiple languages? Actually, situation will teach you multiple languages. You will start with one language, but if you go into a company, they are working with different language, then you have to learn different language. Basically, when I was doing my job, in my job I had to learn Java and Spring Boot because they were using that in my company. So that's how it goes. I'm currently preparing for JEE as an interest. Yet should I IT sector? See, you have to find your interest. Do you like programming? Study peak. Do you like programming? Abhishek bro, motivation is losing interest to edit. Motivation, see bro, you don't need motivation. You need to be disciplined. क्योंकि मोटिवेशन तो क्या है, मोटिवेशन क्या होगा अभी, लाइक अभी मोटिवेशन विल वर्क फॉर 2 hours, बट यू आर नॉट डिसिप्लिन्ड इनफ. यू हैव टू बी डिसिप्लिन्ड कि यू शुड नॉट डिपेंड ऑन मोटिवेशन. इधर you should work irrespective of you if you feel like working or you don't feel like working. Irrespective of that, you have to work. So hi bro. Okay. Django के लिए बेस्ट टीचर सजेस्ट करिए प्लीज. Django के लिए Django के लिए डॉक्यूमेंटेशन इज द बेस्ट. Wish I could continue my game dev journey. Okay, I'm saying now I'm only doing PCM, so yeah, I'm not into coding. Maybe try to learn coding from YouTube. Usse you will get if you are interested or not. I'm sorry, sir. Okay. Issue. Or did we mess? Use client. Fine. We have this now. Refresh. Organization. Workspace. Organization. Services. Click on edit. Price. Service title. Updated. Save changes. Updated. Okay. Updated, and let's make it 400. Save changes. 400. Service updated. Okay, this is also working. This is fine. This is working absolutely fine. And okay, we have this now. This we have the availability part. Availability part. Okay, for I think right now this much is fine. This much for now. Availability part, bookings part. Okay, we have this configure preview booking. Okay, okay, motivation comes and goes. Discipline is what keeps you going, right? Exactly. Discipline is, like when you're disciplined, you don't depend on motivation. So if I have test user 2, if I have this one, copy this here and paste it here, what we'll see, there's no organization, there's no that's we are not seeing this. Okay, organization 4, service, no service found, create a service, dental checkup, general dental checkup, duration 45 minutes, price 500, offline, Kolkata, Salt Lake. Add this, launch service. This is launched. Now if I refresh, we'll see this no availability. Okay, now there's no availability. Add a slot Monday 9 to 5, save slot. And now if I come here like this, for example, Monday we have 9 to 5. Okay, nice, this is working fine. Okay, so next we have to work on the availability part. Workspace, select an dashboard, work services, availability, bookings, integrations, Google. Okay, we have to work in availability. We can, okay, okay, zoom on the rupees symbol later. It's looking good. Okay, zoom on the rupees symbol. Okay, zoom. Yeah, this is the rupees symbol. अवेलेबिलिटी में शेड्यूलर यूज करो या हैव टू लाइक हम लोग करेंगे वो सब. Okay, as a monstack dev, what do you think I can earn as a freelancer, as a fresher BCA grad, or should I go with MCA or MBA, but I really want to go get a job to be. See, MBA to like MBA to you can avoid because you can, like, if you are interested in, go for it, but I will not prefer MBA. And if you want to get a job for as a fresher, best option is to get a remote job in US, UK, Canada, Australia startups, and there you can actually learn a lot, earn a lot. Okay, wow, it's good, bro. Thanks, Lokesh. So we have done this, but we need what we need is basically we need the UI to be consistent. See, here the button looks like this, but here the button looks like this, right? So we have to fix that part. Custom preview. Okay, we have availability now. Okay, now we have this organization. Come here, services. This services. This. Or if I come here, add this here and this here, and I have this for now. But if I go here and if I make this active and if I refresh it, see, we have three now. Very good. So that is fine. Availability bookings. Okay, so for now we can keep it this much for today because this availability part, UI changes we have to do, and all of this. Okay, scheduler. भैया रसगुल्ला खिलाता हूँ. Study peak. Is it necessary to choose CS stream after JE, as everyone suggests to choose it, but I think nowadays CS field has no job security. Are there good career option as well? CS field, there are good career option, like you can go into AIML if you're interested, like core AIML, not just Gen AI, core AIML, deep learning, where you actually building LLMs, you're trying to build AGI. In those kind of companies you can get a stable job in future. I'm talking about. Okay, we have this. Now if I go here slash dashboard, we are coming back. Okay, fine, this is fine. You can come here and okay, just a sec. Schedule preview, this. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Now if I go to front end, app, dashboard, organization page.tsx, we don't need this. And if we go to components here, and if I go to organization components, create dialog, this one, this also we don't need, this comment section part, commented part. Okay, can put this, fine. This we are getting because of this part. Okay, this is done. Okay, close it, close it. Fine. Now if I go here, add this, fixed the organization state, reload issue, refactored the organization and service UI and UX. Fine, commit, नाउ पुश द कोड. कंप्यूटर साइंस के अलावा कुछ और, कंप्यूटर साइंस के अलावा कुछ और. एक सेकंड बोल रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड मैं आपका आंसर का जवाब दे रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड. Yeah, this all of this. Okay, now if I go to close this, if I go to GitHub, if I go to GitHub here, GitHub repositories, this one, and here fixed organized state issue, fine, front end app dashboard service page, fine, we have this. And here in components we have service components, and here we have service preview, we have this. Okay, fine, this is okay. So for UI part we are going to stick with Gemini, and let's save this chat because we are going to continue this chat only. Notion UI refactor chat, UI refactor chat link, paste it here. Okay, fine. रियलमी भाई, आपने अपना कॉलेज कब ख़त्म किया? 2023 में मेरा बीटेक कंप्लीट हुआ था. लोकेश भाई, अभिषेक भाई, गुड नाइट लोकेश, एंड थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग द स्ट्रीम. आइन खान, इलेक्ट्रिकल इज ऑल्सो ग्रेट इफ यू लाइक मैथ्स. या इलेक्ट्रिकल इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड फील्ड. और ECE is also good. ECE is actually really good because there it is not directly related to IT. It is like more into making GPUs, CPUs, all those things. Did you heard a channel named Sharian's Coding School? Yes, I have heard about that YouTube channel. Small teams struggle with manual paper calculations. Business employ fewer than 10 workers. Hours is monthly manually calculate employee salaries, factoring in variable element like paid leave, unpaid. Okay, larger I am, but and doesn't offer one-click processing for tiny teams. Maybe we can pick this issue. Fix my itch. Okay. स्टडी कंप्यूटर साइंस के अलावा कुछ और. ट्रिपल ई इज नाइस. एंड और क्या होता है? Yes, okay. This as well. This, okay, Reddit. द म्यूजिकल फ्रेंड, भैया आप भी एक खुद की सीरीज लेके आओ ना वेब डेवलपमेंट की. एक्चुअली माय गोल हियर इज टू बिल्ड माय ओन SaaS. मैं अभी खुद की सीरीज या टीचिंग में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ अभी. एंड I want to get into, like building my SaaS and marketing it, and like growing my SaaS and build my own startup. So that is my main goal. I'm not here to teach. Right now I am also not interested in teaching. So yeah, maybe in future. Let's see. Ayn Khan, bro, I had a dream in which you said that you joined a job in a airlines tech part Lamao. Me, like I came in your dream, Ayn Khan. My profile, anything, okay. By the way guys, this is my Twitter. If anybody is interested, they can follow me on Twitter. And do consider, you can join the Discord server as well. Link in the description of the stream. Attorney, law, IoT, cybersec, yes, they are also good fields. SZ, will you hire us for your project? like when my SaaS gets revenue, and if we are trying to expand, and then maybe I would start hiring, but there will be interview process and all. But my interview process is going to be totally different, because I don't believe in just seeing the degree. What matters to me most is the skills. If you have skills, I'll create an interview process where I can only identify skilled people. Ayn Khan, yeah, bro, I thought I should DM you about this, but it didn't seem professional. Okay, and that's fine. You can DM me. You don't have to be serious all the time. It's okay. You can DM. So we have this. Okay. Attorney, I'm first in queue for that. Okay. Study B, should I learn DSA? Yes, you should learn DSA, because DSA improves your logic building skill. But don't give your 8 to 6 hours a day to DSA. Just give 2 hours and try to solve 1 or 2 questions every single day. Make it a habit. Others, please इंटरव्यू में DSA राउंड कम रखना. हाँ, मैं DSA राउंड रखने वाला भी नहीं हूँ इंटरव्यूज में. अगर when I start hiring, I'm not going to keep DSA. Don't worry. Alright everyone, I'll wrap up now. And thanks for joining the stream. If you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. And in the next stream, like next few streams, we are going to make the UI and UX much better for the SaaS, because the payout section, I cannot work on the payout section unless and until my business is registered. So once and it will take time for me to register my business. So for the payout part, we have to delay it. But now we have to make the UI and UX much better, and also we have to build the landing page, and also add the night mode in a dark mode in our SaaS. So these are the fields, these are the things that we'll be working on the next few streams. So yeah. Why not use AI? I use AI. Actually, I use AI to write code, but I don't use AI IDEs because it gets very difficult for me to debug it in future. So I use ChatGPT and I see the code structure from GPT, and then I implement it myself. सिर्फ आपका फैन डायरेक्ट में मर्ज डालो, नई ब्रांच बनाओ, एजेंडा बनाओ, देन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कंप्लीट के मर्ज टू में सेम ब्रांच कम बोरिंग हो जाएगा क्या? डेली सेम ब्रांच में काम बोरिंग हो जाएगा क्या? डायरेक्ट में मत डालो, नई ब्रांच बनाओ, एजेंडा बनाओ, देन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कंप्लीट के बाद मर्ज टू. ओके या वो सब करेंगे. अटर्नी, गुड नाइट अटर्नी, एंड थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग द स्ट्रीम. Sure bro, will you connect? Yeah, you can DM me on Instagram. Attorney polishing, okay. Ashu YT BGMI फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर का हायरिंग होगा. लेट्स सी, क्योंकि फ्रंट एंड तो पूरा हमने AI से बनाया अपने SaaS के लिए, तो फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर मोस्टली आई बी नीडिंग फुल स्टैक डेवलपर इन फ्यूचर इफ द SaaS गेट्स रेवेन्यू एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सपैंड एंड वी नीड मोर डेवलपर्स, देन विल स्टार्ट हायरिंग. अभी तो दिल्ली दूर है. सो या, ऑलराइट एवरीवन, आई रैप अप नाउ. And thanks for joining the stream. I hope you enjoyed the stream, and if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. The musical friend YT setup, bro. Actually, I'll make a dedicated video on that. My YT setup is very simple. It's just a laptop, a keyboard, and a mouse. That's it. Message. मैं आपको पानी देने का काम करूँगा. फ्रंट एंड वाला है, जॉब मिलने का कितना चांस है आपके टाइम में? अब फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर का जॉब तो काफ़ी कम हो चुका है मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि आप खुद ही देखो ना, हम लोग यहाँ पे SaaS बना रहे हैं, फ्रंट एंड का पार्ट AI से कितना इजीली हो जा रहा है ना. मुदस्सर अहमद, हाय ब्रो, हेलो मुदस्सर, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. आयन खान, बाय आयन, एंड या गाइस, आई रैप अप नाउ. And finally, I'll wrap up now. And thanks for enjoying the stream, watching the stream. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. And just keep learning, keep building, and just become the best version of yourself. And attorney, what skills do I be needing for that? उसके लिए कोई skills की जरूरत नहीं है attorney. Alright, good night, and thanks for joining the stream. Do consider subscribing and liking the stream, and I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care and bye. Hey buddy, nice. Thanks, crazy life आकाश. आप जेमिनाई पे कोड कब से करने लगे? चैट जीपीटी ही यूज़ करते थे बस. हाँ, आज ही से जेमिनाई यूज़ किया है. फॉर जॉब ऑफ के टाइम में स्किल्स क्या सीखे? लास्ट वन, जॉब के लिए अभी भी आप फंडामेंटल्स में ध्यान दो, प्रोग्रामिंग सीखो, डेवलपमेंट सीखो, प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. बट अभी सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट्स मत बनाओ. प्रोजेक्ट को आप डेवलप एक प्रोडक्ट के हिसाब से बनाओ. कोई आपका प्रोजेक्ट देखे उसको लगे कि भाई क्या प्रोडक्ट बनाया है, ऐसा फीलिंग आना चाहिए आपका प्रोजेक्ट देख के. सो या, all everyone, I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining the stream, and if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like, and take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, keep